Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. President Emmerson Mnangagwa yesterday joined thousands of Johane Marange Apostolic Church members for the big Sabbath service during the annual Pasika at the Saint Noah Mafararikwa Shrine in Bota Manicaland. In a statement, the president described the gathering as the true cornerstone of the church's calendar, attracting pilgrims from across Zimbabwe and the region, including Mozambique, South Africa, DRC, and Malawi. My attendance today underscores the Second Republic's unwavering commitment to strengthening our collaboration with the church, President Mnangagwa said. Together as state and faith institutions, we continue to foster peace, unity, and shared values as we advance Zimbabwe's national development agenda toward Vision 2030. The Pasika is one of the country's largest religious gatherings and reflects the government's recognition of the church as a key partner in promoting peace, unity, and national development. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.